Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making part 2 of kids tiffin recipes focused on Indian cuisine. We are making mini dosa. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let's begin with heating the pan first. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Swirl it around so it reaches all the sides. Now add the dosa batter in small sizes like so. You can go all creative here by adding any shapes of your choice which your kids might like. It's all about giving them fun while eating. Once this is half cooked, add some chopped onions, some chopped carrots, add some curry leaves powder, this is easily available online, and some Idli chilli podi powder. Now flip this aside and cook. So the carrots and onions get caramelized and this adds to the taste. You can add any veggies of your choice that your kids love. That's it. Our delicious mini dosas are ready to be served. Let's move towards the plating. Add the mini dosas. This looks delectable. I have added coconut chutney as a dip. You can add any chutneys of your choice. For fruits, I have taken ripe jackfruit juliens. And for sweet, I have added 2 Unniyappam. That's it. Our interesting and fun tiffin box is ready. Your kids will definitely love it. For part 1 kids tiffin recipes, the link is shared in the description down below. Do check it out. Do try this. Hope you have liked this recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos and can enjoy and learn recipes like this. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.